Alright, look, I shuffle these cards and now spectator stop anytime. Stop, alright. You stop me maybe 3 of spades, maybe joker, maybe 6 of diamonds, you stop me here. It's really not bad. And now I repeat, I shuffle these cards and now spectator stop anytime. Maybe here, you stop me maybe jack of spades, maybe 5 of diamonds, maybe 4 and 5, maybe really any cards. And now I take 3 cards. It's really not bad. You stop me these 3 cards and this card. This is Queen of Diamonds. Wow. This is Queen of Hearts. And this Queen of Clubs. It's really crazy because I production 3 Queen. Clubs, Hearts, Diamonds. Because this Queen of Spades. Yes, it's really crazy production. Oh, this is Ace of Spades. Look, I take this Ace of Spades and change Queen of Spades. It's really unbelievable production for a. This is 3 Ace and Queen of Spades. Look, 1, 2, 3, and now a production. Yes, crazy for Ace. Look, I take this box. Please check it. This box. It's really normal box. And now name it any 3 Ace, right? Maybe Hearts, Clubs, and Diamonds. It's really why not. Clubs, Hearts, and Diamonds. This 3 Ace, putting her like this and squeeze. And now I take this Ace of Spades. This is Ace leader and putting her like this. And now look, snap my finger. Now Ace of Spades, change 10 of Spades because this 3 random cards. Of course, this is King, Ace, 10 of Clubs, 10 of Diamonds, and 10 of Hearts. It's really crazy. It's really unbelievable. It's really true. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy card sleight of hand, card trick. It's really anyway. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, liking this video right now. Maybe share this video with a friend magician. Why not? This really trick. It's crazy. It's really unbelievable. Yes. So thank you for watching my video, guys. It's really unbelievable. And now I teach this trick. Let's go. So guys, for this trick you make a little setup. You take 4 Ace, you take 4 Queen, you take 4 10, and take box. Alright. Your setup look like this. You take this 4 10 and this 10 of spades, putting her like this. Alright. And next step you take any random cards and drop it like this. And take random cards and drop it like this. It's really easy setup. 10, 10, 10, 10 of spades, 1 random cards, and 1 random cards. And this pile, putting her like this. And next step you take this box, it's really box, you check this box. And this box, putting her like this. You cover this your pile. Alright? So, look. It's really crazy because your pile vanish. Of course, your pile here. So, the next step you take this deck, maybe really shuffle, and now you take 4 Ace, Ace of Spades, and 3 Ace. Take 1 random cards. Oh no, maybe 1 random cards, maybe 2 of diamonds, like this, and take 4 Queen, Queen of Spades, and 3 Queen. Look, 1, 2, 3 Queen, Queen of Spades, 1 random cards, Ace, 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 Ace of Spades. It's really easy setup. Yes, it's really true. And next step you make any false cut. You maybe make a full swing cut. Use this finger, make little pile, make a break, and now you make a false swing cut. I repeat, make a false swing cut like this. The next step, turn over this pile, spectator stop anytime. You turn over this pile, take this pile, drop it like this, take this pile, drop it like this, and these cards, drop it like this. And now you take this pile, drop it like this, squeeze, take, turn over, repeat MC count, or MC count, repeat any false cut, maybe false swing cut, turn over, and spectator stop anytime because you repeat. Stop and turn over this pile. Take any cards, drop it. Take any cards, turn over and drop it. take cards, turn over, and now you take 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. It's really, really true. Alright, and this pile, drop it like this, squeeze, of course you set up like this. And the next step, you turn over these cards, and now this finger count 5 cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a break and save it your break. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a break. And to know this 3 queen, take this queen, take this queen, this queen. Of course you save it your break, squeeze and turn over your pile. You take this pile your break, right? Take this pile your break and turn over. And now you deal 1 by 1 3 ace. Look, 1, 2, 3. And next step, you turn over these cards. This is ace of spades. And now you take this ace of spades, use this finger, count 2 cards. 1, 2, make a break and save it your break. Turn over this ace, take these 3 cards, because you take this your break. These cards, this is ace, slide these cards like this. This is 2 cards. And now you make a change like this. It's really easy change. This is 2 cards. Now you move it like this and take these cards and turn over. This is random cards. Putting her like this, and now you take 2 cards, turn over, and drop this ace, because you queen here. Alright? Look. This is ace, this is 3 queen. Oh, change, it's really crazy. Take this queen, turn over, and drop it like this. And now spectator thinks this is for queen, right? And next step, snap your finger and production for queen. Oh, I'm sorry, this is 3 ace. Snap your finger and production 4 ace. It's really crazy, it's really nice, it's really not bad. And next step, you take this box and drop it this pile your left hand, right? Look, you take this box and drop it this pile like this. It's really easy. Look, I repeat. Take this box. Look, I turn over this ace. Oh, I production 4 ace. It's really crazy. Yes, look, I take this box, take this deck, show it this box, spectator checks this box, drop it like this, and now use this finger, count 6 cards. It's really easy. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a break and save the break. And take this 3 ace, clubs, hearts, diamonds. Squeeze, and now you take this pile your break, turn over like this, and you repeat clubs, hearts, diamonds. Of course, this is 3, 10. This is 3 cards, put in her your box, squeeze this box, take this ace of spades, turn over, and now use this finger, count 2 cards, take these 2 cards like this, and now you make a switch and change. Look, this is ace of spades, and now you make a change like this and drop it like this. Of course, this is 10 of spades. It's really easy, it's really cool. Look, ace of spades, it's really cool. Of course, you maybe make a duck change, why not? Maybe make this change, it's really anywhere. And now I teach you this change. Look, and drop it like this. Alright. And next step, snap your finger and production 10 of spades, because ace of spades change 10 of spades. And now you take this box, take 3 cards and show it this 3 ace. It's really crazy, it's really unbelievable production for cards. It's really nice tricks. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.